So, when Nokia Mobile has sent us a Nokia 5.3 for a review, we got the device some 25 days later because of the diligent Royal Mail employees liked the phone so much they did an unboxing and played with it instead of sending it to its destination. The chances the same happens again with Nokia 8.3 5G would be 1 to a million, but that is exactly what happened again. But we are now with 8.3 5G, and the games can finally start. But, you had a chance of seeing the first hands-on that our colleague Abdullah, or the Mr. Nokia as his family calls him, did an unboxing video of the device. Nokia Mobile also has sent us the recently announced Nokia Power Earbuds Lite to test, so the next 10 to 15 days will be super fun. As things normally go, the unboxing comes first, so let's do it. The box looks like the phone from Series 8 deserves. It is sturdier than the previous boxes, made out of white cardboard material, and it opens up by taking the upper cover. The device is, as a certain president would say, huge. It dominates the box, but in hand looks just gorgeous. I love the polar night color and the perfectly done light effect that imitates the polar night of Finland. The box is coming with a SIM door key, a bunch of user manuals in various languages since this is a global variant. There is also a smaller box next to the phone with some extras like a 15 watts charger, a USB/USB-C charging cable, and Nokia earphones that reminds me of old earphones that Nokia used to send with Lumia devices. I did expect to be coming with a silicone case, but that wasn't included in this box. The device might be large, bulkier than 7.2, but it is gorgeously designed, and I must say fast. It seems to me that Nokia Mobile did polish ST765, and so far things are as fluid as on my Huawei P30 Pro. I'm looking forward to switching back to Nokia after the screen of my 7.2 got some strange burn marks. Anyway, I couldn't wait much longer and took some shots with 8.3 5G and the same ones with P30 Pro, which is currently at the top of smartphone photography, so here are some samples. Nokia is first. You can see that P30 Pro has one of the best camera algorithms in the smartphone business, but Nokia 8.3 5G can create good shots too. My hands are shaky, but those first shots turned out okay. Nokia tends to over-sharpen the details, while Huawei makes it more smooth and gives a more natural look. The shots are reduced in size, to conserve disk space, but hopefully, you can see the differences. Now something special. We also got a Nokia Power Earbuds Lite or BH405 for a test. And these are the same as Nokia Power Earbuds but with just a smaller charging case battery. The box is pretty simple, and besides the buds, it contains a micro USB-C charging cable for the case, L&S ear tips, and a simple guide to help you start listening to music through your Power Earbuds. We got the buds in a nice blue color and will be testing them in the next period of time. But, I can tell you that the sound is great. And the buds fit ear nicely. The ambient sound is blocked thanks to the ear tips, but those are not noise-cancelling earbuds, so don't expect wonders. The case is elegant, small, and can fit a purse or pockets while you are commuting or traveling. The case will give you some 30 hours of music on a single charge, while the buds itself should last for 4 to 5 hours. Anyway, if you have any questions regarding Nokia 8.3 or Nokia Power Earbuds Lite, ask away in the comments section. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.